Hello there, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to know which devices are logged into your Instagram account. Now, this is going to help you to protect your information from leaking, and it keeps it safe and sound. And without wasting any of your time, let's dive right into this video. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram as usual. And now, once you're in your Instagram, you want to go ahead and click at this profile icon right here at the bottom of the screen. And once you've clicked right there, you want to go ahead and click on the three dash lines on the top of the screen. And once you've clicked right there, you want to go ahead and click on accounts and send account center right here. Now, once you click on account center, you want to scroll down and click on password and security. Once you've clicked on password and security, you want to go ahead and click on where you are logged in right there. Now, once you click right there, you want to go ahead and choose an account that you want to see which devices it's logged into. So you want to go ahead and click right here. I want to check this account right here, and as you can see right here, these are the devices that I'm logged in. So I can go ahead and log out any of these devices that I don't want to be logged in. And in case you find a device that you never logged in by yourself, it means somebody else logged into your account and they are using your account. Now, this device right here at the top is the device that you are currently logged in right now, and it's using that's why it says this device. This is the device that I'm using right now. So I can go ahead and choose any of these devices that I don't want, and I can log them out when I want. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click right there. Now, once I've clicked right there, I can go ahead and check one of these. I can go ahead and check all of them or any of them. But for this video right here, I'm going to show you just one device right here. I'm gonna log out one device right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click log out after selecting a device that I want to log out. So I can go ahead and click on log out right there. Now they can ask you right here, are you sure you want to do this? I want to do this. So I can go ahead and click on log out if I want to do it, and boom, the device that was there is logged out. Now if I go to that device and check it out, that my Instagram account is not gonna be logged in on that device, so I have to re-log in myself. So if you've watched this video till this end, make sure that you smash the thumbs up button and also click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss any video that I'm gonna be making. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, and peace.